So we're on dinner now. Obligatory flat as fuck cheese sandwiches. The wife made them. Hi wife. So I better eat them. Awesome. 4 sessions this morning. Feel really good. I feel confident that the suspension guy's been working with me and taking a look at things, and it seems like the out of the crate the bike was set up pretty well for me. Just needed a bit of rear preload really. I'm getting to the limit, as I said before, of the front preload, but I'm not sure I'm going to go a lot faster today, so I think it'll probably be okay. The two standout things on that bike, other than the power, which is obvious, the handling feels great, but the brakes, those Brembo brakes, there's just no fade. The Kawasaki towards the end of each session, the brakes would be coming back to the bar, and they'd be fading a bit, but not on that. They're just absolute bulletproof brakes, phenomenal. Getting used to things now, so yeah, I love it. I cannot wait to get this on a faster track though, like a Donington or maybe even Jerez. But yeah, absolutely loving it. Best bike I've ever ridden by an absolute country mile. So yeah.
I'm seeing shimmers in this long-lasting dream. We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up all our friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long and sing on to every song. We don't need nobody's attention, don't need nobody else in our zone.
Alright, that's session 5 finished. I'm starting to get tired now. Just had a check-in with Matt again at the suspension place, and yeah, it's my suspension's staying about right now, so I think we've about found my pace for the day. We didn't really have to change much, just increase some preload in the rear, but other than that, the stock suspension settings were pretty good, and I feel great on it. I feel really confident. Like I said, I'm just getting a bit tired now. I was getting faster on that session and starting to relax a bit, and that's what I tried to focus on. A couple of people have crashed. I hope they're all alright. Whoever's watching this, let me know in the comments if you're okay. I'm going to do one more session, and then I'm going to go home. I'm going to miss the last session. I tend to do that. I think it's just because I'm old and getting a bit fucked and achy. Yeah, I'll miss the last session and go home. But what a bike! What an absolutely amazing bike! And I'm a novice, like a complete novice, and it's not spat me off or done anything. I've hit the traction control. That's kicked in a few times, but I've had it on very intrusive. I've had it on 6, which is about the most intrusive for dry settings, just to learn the bike. And what Matt was saying is it's good that I found that, because now I can back it off a bit and get a bit more drive. It's mainly coming up onto the back straight, so it's good. So I've improved throughout the day. I've started to hit the traction control, knee down in places where I'd never got knee down before. So all in all, absolutely over the moon with today, over the moon with the bike. And yeah, I'll do one more session and then I might just wrap it up at the end. But yeah, a great day. Another track day complete, safe and sound. Winner chicken dinner. It was a good one this. First track day on this 2020 RSV4 1100 factory. Awesome, yeah, I mean, I don't know what to say really. It was a fantastic day. The bike was great. Matt from MTS Suspension, if you're at a track day and he's there, go and see him. He's really good. That's what gave me all the confidence really. Although he didn't actually change much, just adjusted the rear sag, put some preload in the rear. Just the fact that he'd looked at it and said that everything was right gave me confidence as an inexperienced rider, and that meant the world. So we kept checking it, and I got a little bit lower on the front forks, but they were set up pretty perfectly anyway, so all good really. But yeah, go and see Matt, he's great. It's really important, it gives you so much confidence. Started to get faster, and relax a little bit, but then that last session I got tired. I got a bit spooked by a couple of those fast lads coming past me a bit too quickly, but it's all good, it's all cool. Yeah, really enjoyed the day today. I'm really pleased I bought this bike. But yeah, thanks very much for watching, much appreciated. I'll see you on the next one.
I'm seeing shimmer